Joel Arthur Forman was born into his Ngāi Tahu family, descendants of hana kaikai.
He whakatairanga whakapapa te mahi ma Joel Forman no Moeraki.
It relates to Māori because it's my identity and it feels like I'm home.
For the first 5 weeks of his life, Joel lived in the hospital, cared for by the nurses, while they looked for a new family for him.
Ko piri atu a Forman ki te whakaari o whakapapa. E whakaatua nei I ngā pūrākau e ono, e pāna ki tā rātou ara. Ko te katoa, he whaikaha. Pēnei I a Forman me tana mate poira ke he. E whakaatua ana a Forman I tana hononga ki Moeraki.
Joel's great-great-grandmother, Hana Kaikai's story, begins in Moeraki.
I always start with my culture because I know a few other words, hard words I can say. It's like talking about your story and it's represent Ngāi Tahu and I'm doing this for Hana because she's my grandma.
He manoa he he, ka manoa popore, tutu ana te puehu.
Is it hard being away from Moeraki?
Yep. It's a good place, but it's cold. Milo Williams, he's a Māori. He went down to my Moeraki. He's the best singer.
Te tau te waituhi nei.
The biggest things that I've realised over the years working with the intellectually disabled community is that people tend to judge people by their disability. So we wanted to tell people's individual stories.
Autism is a part of my whakapapa.
Ko Lachlan Oakes, tētahi e whakaatu ana I tana hononga ki te whakapapa ma tōna whiako hei tangata taki wātanga.
My piece is about my experience with autism and just how I got a formal diagnosis when I was 8. When I was 2 and 3, I had a little bit of language, but then of course, because of my autism and my sensory functioning, I didn't speak. Ko Tarlin Cotton, te ringatohu, ko ngā whiakoranga o e nei kaiwhakaari te iho o tēnei whakaaturanga.
We've got some people who have, through their growing up, have had a really close connection to their whakapapa and others who haven't. So that story of connection and disconnection was really important. And whakapapa is beautiful.
Te rātou e ki mai nei, koia, koia, koia rā.
Come and see the show. It's amazing. I want everyone to enjoy it and love it.
Ko matu te tū ki te World Buskers Festival, a katua no te whakaari nei kei tāhuna hei tēnei pai ngā whāwha. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.